Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the two best prop firms, in my opinion, that are in this space right now in 2024. One of which is fully backed by a fully regulated broker. This is absolutely huge for the prop space. I just wanted to quickly say something. If you see your boy sweating, it's because I just went for a run. It's 30 degrees out, showered, I'm still sweating. So if you see me sweating, I apologize. It's because your boy's out being active, but let's jump back into it. The prop firms I'm currently using right now or going for are FTMO and Think Capital. You've definitely heard of FTMO before, but I'm not too sure if you've heard of Think Capital. This is sweet because Think Markets is a fully regulated broker, okay? They're a fully regulated broker and they have actually entered the prop space creating a prop firm called Think Capital. The reason this video is so huge and the reason this firm is so huge is because now we have an option for US clients. I myself am Canadian, so I'm okay with FTMO, I'm okay with Think Capital. I want to stick to the two best firms in my opinion. FTMO has obviously been around forever. They have that legitimacy. Think Capital is new, but they have a fully regulated broker, liquidity provider behind them, which is absolutely huge. I truly think having these two firms is going to be amazing for us as traders because now we have two firms that we can really rely on. Obviously FTMO, and then Think Capital, in my opinion, is going to be up there for sure. And it's just a breath of fresh air because I lost so much funding with multiple firms since MFF went down, SFT went down, Funded Engineer went down, and it just feels good, you know, only going for firms right now that I truly believe are going to be there. So what I'm going to do is jump on the computer here. I'm going to go over the website for Think Capital, and then I can go over the website for FTMO as well. We can look at all of the things they offer, and then we can also break down any cons. All right, beauty. So thanks for meeting me over on the computer here. You can see this. We have this lovely website. We can just go through this together. So you can see over here, like I was saying earlier, powered by Think Markets, which is a fully multi-regulated broker, which is huge. And another upside is you can trade directly through TradingView on this. So the options you have are either TradingView or you can use MT5, which is really cool. You can see we can manage up to 300K, profit sharing up to 90%, payout frequency 14 days, scale up to $1 million. So these are the challenges that we have here. We have the one phase evaluation, we have the dual step, and then we have the Nexus as well. So you can see we're just going to buzz through here. The website's really clean. Here we have the pricing for the 50K. Let's take a look at the 100K account. And yeah, the pricing is really solid on these. That's obviously going to be a pro. I know FTMO is pricier on the pricier end, but the fact that we get, you know, a cheaper challenge by a fully regulated broker entering the prop space is massive. You know, you can see this is the 10% target after phase one, then it becomes phase two for 8% target. And yeah, this is super cool. You can see right here, US customers allowed, right? And over here, other companies do not have that. We're also balance-based drawdown, which is huge. And yeah, this is just great stuff. One thing I wanted to add is I have partnered with Think Capital, which is huge. If you watched my YouTube video and my vlog, I talked about it. I have partnered with this firm and I'm so grateful. So if you use my code RMTrading, you get 15% off these challenges. Not only do you get access as a US client, but you can take advantage of these prices here and get that discount, 15% off any challenge. And you can use it, doesn't matter. It's not just one time, which is super cool. So this is the website. I would say the pros obviously are, it's a cheaper option. You get access as a US client as well. And then you also have the fully regulated broker backing it up. Okay, so that is massive. I personally would only be using FTMO up until a firm like this came out, a firm like this entered the space. And that's what I was doing. I was only using FTMO because the last thing I want is another firm to go down, right? And prop firms and regulated brokers entering the prop space. I know there are a few others. I think Oanda is entering the prop space as well. And there's a couple others, but this is just huge. This is huge. So now let's go take a look at FTMO and we can compare the similarities and we can look at the cons as well. So obviously FTMO has been around since 2015, which is actually pretty crazy. And obviously there's not much you can say about FTMO that you don't like, obviously. They're on the pricier end though, but the cool thing about FTMO as well is after a while, so we can just go down through here, once you have proved yourself for a while, you actually can potentially get recruited to the quant line prop space, which is really cool. You can see all of the benefits over here, the evaluation process, and then we can look to compare prices here. So over here, you can see we have the price over here. This is in euros, I believe. So I'm not too sure what the conversion would be. Let me just check. All right, so 598. So the prices are similar. Think Capital's cheaper, and then obviously 15% off discount you get. That takes off, I think, 75 US off the 100K total, which is huge, makes it even less. But you can see we have the similar trading days as well. If I just go a quick comparison between them, you can just take a look at all of this. And yeah, this is great. I honestly think this is huge that we have options like this. Massive for the prop space, the fact we have these two firms. And again, this is my opinion. These are the two firms that I'm using right now based off the research that I have done. Obviously, it's a great opportunity for all of us traders having, a firm like FTMO, having a firm like Think Capital. One thing I want you all to know is use these prop firm payouts to fund a personal account. I know I've talked about this before, but I can't stress it enough how important it is to fund a personal account, because when those prop firms went down for me before, I was extremely hesitant to go for any more. I just funded a personal account. I've just been trading that personal account, and it's stress-free when you have that there. And then now I'm just going for these prop firms as like a side quest. Like, I don't need the prop firms to succeed. I don't need the prop firms to trade. I have capital that I can trade. So when you get to that point, it just makes it a lot easier because, you can trade your personal. Once you're up a certain percent per month, you can stop trading your personal. Then you can focus on trading the prop firms. And then when you're waiting for a payout on the one prop firm, you can trade the other prop firm. And it's just pretty sweet. Between FTMO and between Think Capital, I'm going to be going for 700,000 in max allocation between the two. And I'm just super excited to go along and achieve that journey and share it all with you along the way. And I'm just super, super grateful that I get this opportunity. So like I said earlier, make sure to use the discount code on Think Capital. You'll get a nasty discount. Like I said, 15% off is huge for a prop firm, especially one that's backed by a regulated broker. So USA clients, I know you're waiting for something. Definitely check it out. So yeah, what do I say at the end of every single video? I appreciate you all. I hope you enjoyed this little prop firm video. Make sure you smash that like button and comment if you want me to do more prop firm videos as well. And make sure to subscribe to the RM Trading YouTube channel. I will leave that in the description for any technical videos. That's where I'm posting all my technical videos. So I appreciate you all, and I'll see you in the next one.